This video will show you the best procedures and products to use when running a skip search or locating a consumer using our databases. After you log into your account, you will be directed to the default consumer search menu. The first search you should run is a people search. Click on the people search and then hit continue. On the next page, you will be provided the search criteria options. It is always best to search using the Social Security number, as that will provide the most accurate and up-to-date address and information on your subject. If you do not have the Social Security number, then choose from the other 13 search criteria options to continue the search. If you have a common name, you may want to narrow your search. If an uncommon name, you will want to broaden your search. We are going to choose first name, last name, and state, and then hit continue. On this screen, you will enter your subject's name and state. You can also put a case reference number here. Then press continue. You will be brought to the shopping cart where you can confirm the search you are running, remove the search, add a new search, and pay for the search from your escrow account. The search will run through millions of records, and within seconds, you will be provided the results. As you can see, there are multiple different people returned, and parts of the returned results are highlighted and clickable. You can run subsequent searches by clicking on any of the highlighted criteria and choosing another search to run. As stated earlier, the best way to get the most accurate address is to use the Social Security number. We provide the Social Security number for all the results. You can click on the truncated Social Security number and choose a search to run. And then we will run the full untruncated Social Security number in the background to get a complete address history for the specific subject chosen. Choose the people search again from the available searches pop-up and hit continue. The system will confirm the search criteria by Social Security number and hit continue. The truncated Social Security number will pre-populate in the search menu and then click continue. You will be brought to the shopping cart again, where you can just pay for the search with your account balance. Remove or add another search. The next screen will be the results by Social Security number. As you can see, this subject has lived in other places than just New York as originally chosen. There are also different date of births as reported, aliases, phone numbers, and different spellings of his name. This is the most recent address history for your subject. You will notice in the top right-hand corner that there will be a 1X listed. This represents how many times this address has been reported by creditors, utility companies, and other sources. You will also see any aliases, date of birth, and phone numbers throughout the results. Again, at this point, all return criteria is highlighted and any can be chosen to search deeper. You can search an address. Common searches for skip tracing is to locate relatives or roommates. This is done either by choosing the best reported address and then choosing the possible roommates and possible relatives. Or it can again once you choose the searches you want. The system will confirm the criteria you want to search. Once you choose the searches you want, the system will confirm the criteria you want to search. You will be brought to the search form and fill in the name for possible relatives. And continue. Pay for the search and then review the results. As you can see, the possible relative search will return with the same surname as the subject and show other addresses they may reside at with phone numbers. The possible roommates will show all that have been reported at the address with the returned names, addresses, Social Security number, etc. These are also clickable for more subsequent searches if you choose to locate their current address and phone history. There are many combinations of searches you can use. And this is just a brief example of the power of the people searching using the SkipMax system. But this will give you an idea of how the system works. And don't forget, if you need tips on any search, choose the icon at the top of the search for the do's and don'ts of entering search criteria. This is very informative and will save you time and money when searching our databases. If you have any further questions about the People Search tool or any of its components, please go to our Contact Us tab listed at the top of all searches or on our homepage. You will get prompt customer service by sending an email to us. Thank you again for choosing SkipMax for all of your skip trace and public record needs.